In this CapCut Mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to create a text trails animation using the trailing beating effect. This animation makes your text move with trailing echoes behind it, giving a smooth, energetic, and eye-catching result, especially great for beat-based or fast-paced videos. Let's begin. Open your project in CapCut Mobile and tap on text from the bottom toolbar. Now tap Add Text and type in your text. Next, head over to the Font tab and choose a font style that suits your video. Bold and clean fonts usually work best so the trails remain clearly visible. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. From here, switch to the Loop section and scroll until you find Trailing Beating. Apply it and you'll see your text animate with smooth trailing effects that follow its movement. Now, adjust the duration slider to control the speed. Slide left to make the trails move faster and feel more energetic. Slide right to slow it down for a smoother, more cinematic motion. Preview your animation and fine-tune the speed until it perfectly matches your edit. And that's it. You've successfully added a text trails animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut Mobile tutorials.